Welcome. See, last time I solved question 26, 27, two important questions. 26 was like this, 26 was like this, 27 like this, where plenty of loads are given. Then I told, usually such questions, just one load will be given. So two exercise questions, very simple, see, simple. For pin jointed frames with two hinged support. This all I explain. See, lecture number 22, 23, 24, 25. This all you have to go through. Directly if you come to this class, you start wondering what is happening. Again I told, study systematically, you will understand. So now, these two, question 28 is here. This is question 29. For these two, direct answer, nothing. No hint, nothing. I will give the answer for you, work out later. Then I will take up a tough question. See. Angle will be here, 4 meter and 3 meter. See, this angle will be 36 point. Actually, I should not write here, it's a question here. Okay. This angle will be 36.87 degrees. This is 45 degrees. 3 by 4 cut. Here, see, this angle will be 53.13 degrees, correct? How much it is? 3 by, this is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. And this angle will be 53.13 degrees. No, I will not give the height here. Height is 4 meter. Okay. I forgot to mark the height here. Okay. Height is 4 meter. Once again, these two are same question. This question turned. But concept wise important. See here. Two hinges are in a vertical line. See, vertical line. Here. Two hinges are in horizontal line. Somebody will ask, where is hinges here? Go back to lecture number 22, 23, 24, 25. You can make out. This all I told earlier. Okay, that's all. First remember, as usual, only axial forces. Then support reaction using axial forces. Lastly, if they want independently, support reaction. Direct answer. 36. Okay, start from here. This question. 36 divided by sine 45. 50.9117. See, this is this force. 50.9117 for more accuracy. 17. This will be 36 once again. All values are in kilonewton. I won't, because problem is there to write kilonewton here. (36). This is also 36. Here. Divided by sine of 36 divided by 0.6. Theta is how much? 3, okay. 60. 60. 48 plus another 36. 84. This way. 84 is the answer. Okay. Then, after finding all the axial forces, if reaction required, see, your HA will come left side. HA will not, I won't call HA because only one reaction. I told reaction along the member. One reaction, RA. See, some will wonder what is happening here. Without, why he is not explaining. After the previous two questions, this question should not be explained. 84 here. Okay, see here. This is HB equal to 84 and vertical reaction VB will be equal to 36. 36. You can check by taking moment also. How? 36 into how much? 7 divided by 3 is 84. Okay. This question answer. See. Answer is same as there. 36 means 45 degrees. 50.9117 kilonewton, all in kilonewton. Then 36 here. 36. 36. This force will be 36 divided by 53.3 means 0.6. 60. 60 into 0.8 plus another 36. 84. 84. Suppose reactions required, there will be a vertical reaction VB here of same as that one. How much is VB here of 84? Not 84, vertical reaction VB is equal to S84. 84 kilonewton, and a horizontal reaction here. Here see, a reaction RA, not up actually, RA will be down. This all explained for you. I don't want to waste time. RA equal to 84. Here, that is 36. Which side? Horizontal reaction is 36. This way. A horizontal reaction here. HB equal to 36. Over. Now, I have given answer for the two questions. Work out the question. See. Same two questions solved in lecture 22. I told the principle of the two hinges. Now, I told at that time, last class I told. Now onwards, same thing I cannot repeat again and again. So, this all you work out. Now, this is question number 30. This is once again a master question. You can write here. Master question for, you write here, pin jointed plane frames with two hinged supports, with furthermore only one member connected or attached to one of the hinges and no member in between. I told repeatedly here, see, this is not a member. I told that one, it is not a member. This is all I told. People who are serious, they will work out. See, this is simple question. What we have done in question number 26, 27, it is same question. There, see, one load here, one horizontal load here, full of loads. Usually, when such questions are given, just one load will be given. That's why I solved this question. So, now I will do one thing now. Remove everything and start solving question 30 here. I may explain little. I may explain. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now we will start our class master question 30, solution for 30. First of all, I should give direct answer. Still I feel, okay, at least once again, brief explanation. Remember, see, you see the frame here, don't see that, okay, I'll show here also, no problem, see. This is hinged support, this is also hinged support, see. So far, you are seeing every time one hinge, one roller. I am actually once again explaining. One hinge, one roller. Hinge has got two reactions. Roller has only one reaction. So total 3 reactions. You can find reactions by equilibrium conditions, sigma m0, sigma v0 and sigma h0. But this question, see, both supports A and B are hinged support. So, somebody who will count reactions, he will tell hinged support, 2 reactions, hinged support, 2 reactions, total 4 reactions, only 3 equilibrium conditions. We cannot find support reactions. It is statically indeterminate. Okay, his argument is correct. But no, it is not indeterminate. And if you count number of members also, there will be one shortage. Someone will tell deficient and unstable. None of them. Lecture number 22. I think 22. You see there. I don't remember exactly. 22. I told the principle of this case. Two hinged, pin-jointed plane frames with the two hinged supports. I wrote their title, determinate or indeterminate, perfect or imperfect, then stable, unstable, so many things, doubts I created. I explained everything. Then finally I told, no, it is determinate and stable also. Reason is, where, see, but one condition is there. When two hinged supports given, there's a condition. To one of the hinged support, see, next time I won't tell this one. To one of the hinged support, only one member should be attached. Only one member. Yes, see here, A. Correct, only one member. Second condition, there should be no member connecting the two hinges. Open space should be there. No member connecting here. Yes, that also is there. In that case, what will happen is, see, this is your, see, do one thing now. This is your, what? Norm hinge with two members. Usual hinge. There will be vertical reaction here. I will call VB. Don't write this one. Lastly, you require it. Don't write now. VB. And also a horizontal reaction, say HB. HB. But this support, only one member connected. When only one member connected, see, the reaction there at that support, there is only one reaction which is collinear with the member. See, this way, collinear. Say vertical. I will call this as RA. This RA equal to VA. Okay. Now number of unknowns are only 3. Yes, you can solve. So, this all I told. And one more thing I told. When such questions are given, you don't bother about reactions. I told, when two hinged supports are given, the argument of here only one member is there, reaction collinear, all those are not required. See, I told last time, if the, see right here, if the question is to find axial forces in all members by method of joint, no need of finding support reactions. Start method of joints from other side, not here, start from that side. Say that is here, start from G and solve. Okay, this all I told. Okay, now do one thing, start. Calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. Draw a neat sketch of the frame. Support reactions are not required, but remember, you require this angle theta 1, theta 2. You mark here. You write one more sketch here and mark theta 1, theta 2. I think how to find theta 1, theta 2, I should not explain. And this is 65 degree given in the question. Or remember, by chance this angle is not given, height given here, then this theta equal tan inverse of height divided by this distance. So then you have to get the angle. That much common sense should be there. Okay, over. Now, start. Now remember, method of joint I will not explain. There is a limit. See, when you consider equilibrium of a joint, how to find, assume, what all you have to consider, and then someone will ask a question. Sir, if you consider A and B, what to do? Reactions are not there. We will not consider A and B. See, we will start from G. See here. We will start from G. When you start from G, you get forces in these two members. After G, you come to E. No, not E, sorry, E can't come, 3 are there. Come to F. Come to F. You will get forces in these two members. Then come to E. You will get force in this member and this member. Okay. Then come to how many? 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, only 2. come to joint D. You will get force in this member and this member. Lastly, come to joint C, you will get this force and this force over. See, supports you are not going. That's why support reactions are not required. Okay, this all I explained earlier. So this is the order we will do now. Okay, now see. And when you consider equilibrium of a joint, that force marking, how to mark it, how to solve using equilibrium conditions of only two unknown possible, sigma h, sigma v, which one first, that is over by this time more than 200 times. More than 200 times. Something repeatedly over more than 200 times, because by so many questions we solved. That if you are expecting me to explain again, you are in for a surprise. I will tell you, you better not continue my class. See, I am not ideal for you. You go, you search for a better person, or you study yourself using your intelligence. Okay, start now. Correctly start. Start from joint G. Okay, first. You write here, consider equilibrium of joint G. Mark the joint G, mark the unknown forces there. Mark the unknown forces there. Solve. How you solve is your problem. You take whatever direction you want. See, one important, at the joint G, both are inclined. So, you get simultaneous equation and solve. Now, I will solve. How I will solve, you don't bother. .896 kilonewton. Some are wondering, I think, how we can get it so fast. Don't bother. Other will come. .963 kilonewton. 963 kilonewton over. Okay, I will do one thing. When both are in, you do the, see, you don't, what I tell is my problem. You solve usual way. You get, when you consider joint G, you get force in GE and force in GF. You get it. But those people who want to have better knowledge, you can do one thing. You resolve once perpendicular to one of the member and then along the member. But you should be extremely careful. But better not try those things, or you struggle. What is the force of this one with this member? By that time you can put the equation and get the answer. Don't try it. But this time I got by another shortcut. If you want, I will tell you. Okay, see, what I have done is nothing special. Due to 20 kilonewton, see, but I did not write all this one. These two forces are like this. How much is 10 divided by sine 65? 11.034. Both are 11.034. This also 11.034. And due to 16 kilonewton, see, at 16 kilonewton, forces are like this. Both are equal to 8 divided by cos 65. 18 point, how much I wrote there? 18 point. One nimsha. It is 29. See, one. Last answer is 1 minute now. I see light problem. It is not 20 because 7, 9, 2, 20. It is 29. Oh, okay. See, light problem. 9 looks like 0 to me. I can make out here. When I looked here, I can make out it is 29. 29, okay. 29.963. 963 kilonewton. This is a trick I am applying. Why? Because, why I won't tell. It is 18.10. 8 divided by cos 65. 18.9929393. It is 18.9393. So, 18.93 plus 11.034, 18.93 plus 11.034 is 29.963, and other one 18.93 is this way, 11.034 this way, 34 is 7.896. This is a trick actually, but 1 minute now. This I explained. For me, nothing like that. What I will do is I can make out by relative, I will get this force. 10 divided by sine 65 plus 16 divided by cos 65 over 10 divided by sine 65 plus 8 divided by cos 65. 29.963 I got. This force 10 divided by sine 65, that is then minus 8 divided by cos 65 is the force this way. Negative came, I put this way. I'll check once again. 10 divided by sine 65, that answer, minus 8 divided by cos 65. 7.896 I got. You don't try all these things. See, it is dangerous. Okay, I solved. Now, after G, you come to which point? See, only two unknowns here. Come to F. Get forces in these two members. Start. 29.963 into sine 65. You will get 29.963. I touch the calculator into, suddenly it switched off. 27.156. This will come this way and this way. 27.156 kilonewton is this force. And next 29.963 into cos 65 plus another 14. 26.663 is this force. Get correctly the answer. 26.663 kilonewton. Okay, now then come to joint E. Write neatly, joint E. If you come to joint E, you get the forces here. How many forces are there? This horizontal, inclined, vertical. Okay, 7.896 into sine 65. That's all. Only one force. No other force. No, it is the horizontal I have to do first. 26.663, one force, minus 12 is 14 point something, plus 7.896 into cos 65. Answer, divided by cos 30.964. 20.991, this force. 20.991. 991 kilonewton. I'll check once again. Safer side, 26.663 minus 12 plus 7.896 into cos 65. I got some answer. Then divided by cos 30.964. 20.991 correct. Then this force we will get 20.991 into sine 30.964. That is upward component. Another component is there, plus 7.896. Slowly I am doing into sine 65. I will get 7 point down. I have got doubt about this answer because calculator problem. 7.363. 363 kilonewton. I will check once again. 20.991 into sine of 30.964 is 10 point something. See, I got a doubt. 10, no, wrong. No, it is wrong. 20.10 plus another 7.896 into sine 65. See, 17 point. I had, since calculator problem, I should change this calculator first. 17.956. Okay, I will check once again. Once again, I will check. 20.991 into sine 30.964 is so much plus 7.896 into sine 65. 17.956 will come. Once you finish E, then go to joint D. Joint D, you come here. When you come to joint D, again you get the forces. 20.991 into sine 30.964, that component, plus another 27.156. 37.956, this force. 956 kilonewton, and this force will come 20.991 into cos 30.964 is 17.999. Is it correct? Okay, 17.994 this way, subtract 5, minus 5. 12.99999, that is 13. This way. kilonewton. Lastly, come to joint C. Joint C. You get these two forces now. 17.956. No, not 17.56. 13 is right side, plus another 10. 13 plus 10, that is total 23 divided by cos 38.66. 29.454, this force. 29.454 kilonewton, and other one is 29.454 into sine 38.66 upward, plus another 17.956. It will come 36 point down. 36.356 kilonewton. These are the axial forces in all the members we got by method of joint C. We are not come to support A and hinges A and B. From other side you started, got the answer. This I should not explain. Why? More than 200 times over. Okay. Correctly work out. I just want to break the recording once. So, make a note. If only axial forces are required, our solution is over. Over. Now make a note here. I am completing everything today. One note. Suppose in the question, they ask you axial forces. Yes, we got the answer. And then if they ask, what is the find the support reaction, then what you can do is, you can consider equilibrium of A and B with the member forces already known. See what reactions, support reaction, will maintain equilibrium right here. We will consider already the member forces in the members we got here. See, result already there. Support should, every point should be in equilibrium. Now for equilibrium of A and B, what support reaction should come? So therefore, right here, to find, I go shortcut, support reaction after method of joints is over. That is, after finding all the forces in axial forces in all members by method of joint, then what you do is, see, you consider A, joint A. No, you consider A, support A, okay, right here, support A. Support A. Put a pin here, hinge. See here. There is the axial force of PAC. It is a known force. See here, known force. PAC equal to 36.356 kilonewton. Now make a note here. This is the hinged support with only one member connected. No other force is there. When only one force is acting there, for equilibrium, support reaction should be collinear to this one. If it is up, surely it is down. So this is A. You don't have to take directly. See, if it is up, this is down. So this is reaction VA. Directly write 36.356 kilonewton. Directly right here. Okay. Then consider support B. Support B. Supported B. Put a pin here. See, pin. there is one member force here, this way coming. How much? PBD. PBD equal to 37 point, how much? 956 kilonewton. And one more member force coming this way, see, that is PBC. PBC equal to 29.454. 454 kilonewton. Angle is how much? 38.66 degrees. 38.66 degrees. Okay. Now, these two forces are acting here. This is a hinge with multiple member. Here two reactions will be there. So, you do not know direction. One direction, assume upward. One I will take right side. Okay. This is actually, it is not right side. I am so sure it is left side. Okay, leave it. This is B. Vertical reaction you take VB and horizontal reaction you take HP. Now, sigma V equal to 0, you get the value of VB. And sigma H equal to 0, you get the value of HP. Calculate. You calculate. 1 minute, I'll check the camera once. Any problem? No, it's okay. See, when you make sigma V equal to 0, what you get? Plus VB minus 37.956 and then again minus 29.454 into sine of 38.66. It will come 56.355. 356. VB will come plus 56.356 kilonewton plus, and HB will come, see, 29.4 plus HB plus 29.454 into cos of 38.66 is 22.99996 means 23, but it will come minus 23 kilonewton. Okay, now do one thing. Go back here and enter the answer. Here, in this sketch only. See, you complete it. We took VB upward. Answer came correct. See, a reaction VB here equal to 56.356 kilonewton. HB, you took right side. Negative sign came, so left side of HB equal to 23 kilonewton. And then at A, we know that when it is upward, down. By chance you took VA upward, negative will come. There is a downward reaction here. VA equal to 36.356 kilonewton. 356 kilonewton. This is a reaction. Now the complete system is in equilibrium. Or now make one more special note. One more note you have to write here now. Note. I will dictate. By chance, in any competitive examination, this pin-jointed frame is given. See, loads are there. See, in the question given here, how much here? 20 kilonewton. Then one right side force of 16 kilonewton. Then one force of here. This I will remove now. I can remove this one now. F, okay. One right side force of how much? 14 kilonewton. Here, E. One left side force of 12 kilonewton. D, there is a left side force of 5 kilonewton. And here, C, there is a right side force of 10 kilonewton. See, 10 kilonewton. Right here. By chance, in the question, this frame given, and they will ask in the question, what is the support reactions at A and B? Is the question right here. I will dictate. Question is only to find support reaction. 1 marks or 2 marks. Then you need not waste all this one. See, this will take a lot of time. Directly what you do is right here, put the frame. Okay, then now you should know the concept. What is the concept? See here. At the support, B is a hinged support where multiple members are there. Consider VB and HB, two reactions. But A is a hinged support where only one member is there. So there is only when there is only one member connected to a hinge, the reaction will be only one reaction which is collinear with that member. Okay, assume RA. Assume RA. Okay, now once you, here I took VA because vertical reaction, or you can take RA. Okay, if you don't like VA, you can take RA here. RA. Okay. Now do one thing. Now you write this one. Now start. See, one unknown, two unknown. Sigma m about B equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Start. Take moment about B. See, plus RA into 5 plus RA into 5. Then, see, moment about this one. Plus 10 into 4 plus 10 into 4. See, minus 5 into 4 minus 5 into 4. Then plus 14 into 7, 14 into 7, minus 12 into 7, 12 into 7, then minus 20 into, be careful, see, 20 is here, perpendicular distance. For 20 into this distance is half of 5, 20 into 5 by 2, and lastly, plus 16 into, when you take moment about B, it is 16 into 4 plus 3, 7 plus whatever is this height into this height plus that height equal to 0. Now you require that height. So what you do is, you consider the triangle here, see, this triangle. Tan 65 equal to that height divided by 5 by 2. That height divided by 5 by 2. So that height equal to how much? 5 by 8 is 2.5. 2.5 tan 65 is the height. Now substitute h equal to 2.5 tan 65. Therefore, you will get the value of RA. This time I am really calculating. See, so many joints are there. If I made one mistake, answer will not tally, because you know answer is down reaction of, see, this RA, okay, VA, RA is better because one reaction, RA is better, RA or VA. One reaction of 36 is also RA, okay, 36.356 we already got. But in examination you are not knowing why you are not doing. Okay, I will take my calculator. Honestly, I am checking, because if anything is wrong, no, it will, because when I found the axial forces, I was extra cautious. See, I took little more time. I won't take that much time. I even told the steps also for those who can follow. Those in question number 25, I explained how to directly calculate. So that all I dictated, I was telling myself. So therefore, take calculator. Honestly, I am doing 10 into 4 minus 5 into 4 plus 14 into 7 minus 12 into 7 minus 20 into 2.5, lastly plus 16 into bracket 7 plus how much? 2.5 into tan 65 equal to answer divided by 5. No cheating, nothing. I am reading full number. 36 minus because this is plus, that is mathematics, minus 36.3560. Oh, what is this? See here, minus 36.356 kilonewton is the answer. See, beautifully tallying. It will tally. In my class, it has to tally then. Right here. Sigma V equal to 0, take upward positive. This you write. See here. Plus RA plus VB minus 20, that's all, equal to 0. Substitute RA, whatever you got, you get the value of VB. 20 more means that 56 guaranteed, plus 56.356 kilonewton. See their answer there? Then lastly, sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive. You get plus HB plus 10 minus 5 minus 12 plus 14 plus 16 equal to 0. You will get the value of HB. I will calculate without calculator. 16, 24, 30, 40, 40, 12, 5, 17. 40 minus 17 is 40 minus 70, 23. Okay. HB will come minus 23 kilonewton. Okay. Then do one thing. Then you write here, see. Then you can make a small note here. See? Nothing required. Therefore, see, for that given pin jointed plane frame, this way, see, this is not there. With this force and this force, then force like this, force like this, force like this, and force like this. This is a pin A, this is a pin B. The final answer is there is a reaction RA, we took upward, negative came, it is what? It is a downward reaction RA equal to 36.356 kilonewton. We took VB upward, positive came, VB equal to 56.356 kilonewton. And HB, just now I took right side, negative came, so left side. Its reaction HB equal to 23 kilonewton. See, answer beautifully tallying with what we got. In my class, every subject, whenever there's a check is there, either engineering mechanics or strength of materials or structural analysis or even RCC steel also, if a check is there or precious concrete etc. or finite element method, matrix method, so many methods are there. If the check is there, my guarantee, check will be always passed. So far it never failed, it did not fail today, in future also it will not fail. The moment it fails, I will stop the class. Okay, it will never happen. Now, I should not have told all these things. Now I will tell you warning. Next time I am taking one more master question. See, one more master question. I will tell you why. See, I write here now. One more master question. Little lengthwise, big one. See, this way. This much I will put here. See, little work is there here. This way. Here, see. No, not this way. Here, what will happen is, no, I will change it. I will make it this way. Okay. Something like this. So that, see, this hinge, this is hinge. Only one member is there. So here, reaction will be this way. See, along the member. It will be like this. For this purpose, I will solve it. And then I will turn the sketch this side and give an exercise for you, maybe like this. See, this one. This you can solve easily. I will solve one main question, master question, and then see so many inclined members. You have to find angle, etc. One question will do master question for both hinges. Then one more both hinges. I will give exercise with answer. Once that is over, I think I will change over to method of sections. Method of sections. Or I will tell you one more thing. Even in method of sections, so many questions I will give. Question like this. For the given pin jointed plane frame, find axial forces in all members by method of joints. Then I will tell also verify your result by method of section for members etc. 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 I will tell some selected members. So there also method of joint will come. At that time what I will do? I will write first method of joint, reaction study, this is the answer. Why? Now I will not explain method of joints. So many questions are over. So then method of section, very systematically I will explain in the beginning. Okay, now study all these questions. Most probably next class will be the last question for only for method of joint. Then I will go for method of sections. Okay. And one more thing I have to do. I have to upload one class. How to decide direction for unknown. I already explained in class number 25. But I told there, one more uploading is there. That I will do with other class. Then method of sections. Okay. Go through everything. Thank you. Next time we will meet.